We are back. This time, it's for event 3 of the Showdown Archery, a classical event. Here, as you just go down, get the farthest distance basically. That's all. Every single Showdown team. The standees we cannot get because I kind of lost the standings. So, of course, we're just going to continue without them. So, the ice trippers will start us off. They'll show you a demonstration. Yeah, so basically that. And by the way, see your sentinels? They will be basically the marker. So, next will be the bronze tigers. Can they get behind? Oh yeah, definitely. Oh, definitely. Bronze tigers will take the lead. Supernovas. Not even close. That will be third. Not good. But now, the snowballs. Championship leaders. Ooh, just missed out. They'll get second. Overall, Wojo Rollers now. Oh, that was not a good entrance. That cost them a lot. Cheese balls. Same story. Just not a good entrance to that, yeah. Oh, but Circus Clowns on the other hand have an amazing entrance, and now we'll go to second. Tide pools. The newcomers? Nope. Not gonna be close. They will get fifth out of 8, so it's fine for now. Swingy Vines. Yeah. I don't even really look at the score for that. Dead last. Summer Skies. Nope, not gonna get there. Rose Thorns. Straight and true, and they would just miss out. But they will get the grab third. But now, the Lightning. They need to do something. Oh no, it's completely gone wrong. And another bottom basement finish for them. Sparkling Waters. Same story. I'm just gonna say right now, Bronze Tigers have captured the gold. There's no one's challenging right now. Oh, I just said my words. And the Growlers come out of nowhere to steal the trophy and take the lead. Yeah, paintballs will not ever come close. And the last one are Flamethrowers. Can they challenge? No. But that means, with my words being mistaken, Growlers will get the goal. Bronze Tigers will get 3 podiums, so that will probably auto qualify them. And Silver Clowns with the bronze. Not good. For the Lightnings, I'm only going to say that they have been auto relegated. They will not advance. Too bad. Elimination race is up next. Let's see how the end of this league will go.